The key ingredients in 4Life's product is the transfer factor, a class of messenger molecules that provide valuable immune information to better help your immune system recognize, respond to, and remember potential health threats. The Chief Scientific Officer, who is a scientist, will tell us more about this transfer factor and tell us about the wonders of it for the human body. Tell us more about that.
Well, transfer factors, as the name indicates, transfer something. In this case, it's immunity, and it's one of nature's way of passing immunity both vertically from mother to child, but it can also be passed horizontally. All mammals make transfer factors, and the interesting thing about them is that they can be borrowed from one individual and given to another individual, and they will gain the immunity that this person had without ever being exposed to the same pathogens that the first individual was.
So the trauma and the destructive effect would not be necessary?
It is not necessary. That's right. It builds a stronger immune system that gives us natural defenses.
Yeah. Which mammal then could transfer it to humans in terms of as far as your product is concerned?
Well, that's an interesting question, because these transfer factors are common amongst all mammals. And where we obtain our transfer factors from is the colostrum from cows.
Great.
Of course, they're exposed to a lot of bacteria and a lot of viruses, and these things come in families, and so there's what's called cross immunities. And with technology, we can take that colostrum, separate out these transfer factors, concentrate them into a powder, which we use then in our products. These transfer factors are much smaller, but they too carry immune type information. So they're signal molecules. They're molecules that help our immune system recognize a threat, to respond to the threat, and to help remember the threat, so that we can enjoy better health.
So it's both short-term and long-term in terms of protection that we're getting from it.
Yes, it can be.
With its relentless research and product development, 4Life regularly comes up with improvement as well as new products.
Well, it's an exciting product too, but it's one that we're launching today. It's composed of essential fatty acids. Many people have heard about them around the world now, and they are important to the structure and function of our body. It helps you retain a smoother skin, helps you retain vision longer, because the eyes require this. A recent clinical study showed that 4Life transfer factors significantly boost the production of antibodies and increase the activities of body's natural killer cells.
Fortify your first line of defense with 4Life transfer factor.